Hi guys, it's Eileen from Loving Plants. Today we're going to make a chain. If you don't know how to do a slip knot, we are starting with a slip knot, but I already have it here on my yarn. So go back and check out that video how to make the easiest slip knot. Alright, so after your slip knot is done, it's pretty simple. But sometimes it takes practice in the beginning because it doesn't feel simple in the beginning. So you have your yarn. I'm just kind of holding it, stretching it out with my left hand with that finger 2. And I'm taking my right hand and I'm going under the yarn. Just kind of pulling it down and through that first loop of the slip knot. So that's our first chain. That's 1. I'm doing that again. 2. I'm doing that again. 3. And oops. And 4. And 5. Now, let's look at what we have so far. So, the reason they call it a chain is you can see these little V's on the top, and then on the back it really has that link look to it, that chain link. So, this is how we count. Let's say you get lost and you don't know how many you just made. Start at your first V. Here's a V. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to say that this is 5 because the loop is on that one. So I'm going to put that in. So we have 5 done. Okay? So if we have to pick up, we want to go to 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. And I would suggest practicing this with a light yarn because you can with much more ease see the links. Okay, let's pull that out. Get it down to our original slip knot. Okay. Stick the J hook in there. And we're going to go to 10. This time we're going to go continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's look at our chain. Now, it looks pretty even because I've been doing this for a little while. In the beginning, this loop would be huge, this loop would be small. You know, give yourself a break. You just want to do chains for probably the first week. Just do chains that consist of 50 and then pull them out and try again. So hopefully this was helpful in getting started. And again, I'll reference our slip knot video in the description below. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to see, please let me know as we continue our beginner crochet videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.